If you're into immersive video content that lets you, as the viewer, choose the view, allows you to look wherever you want to look, whether it's the windswept coastline of Scotland or a flight over some of the country's most breathtaking castles, or maybe you'd rather explore something a bit unexpected, like this wind farm right here, and experience it for yourself in full 360 motion, then welcome to Windswept Rob VR, the channel that puts you in charge of the view, whether it's a 360 degree video, a 3D video, or a VR 180 video. You can choose to look wherever you like. So hit subscribe and step into Scotland like never before in 360, 3D and VR. Let's go!